Welcome to the guided tour of Kaizen Copilot's AI-enabled NIOSH Lifting Guidelines Ergonomics Analysis module. Click New Assessment at the top right. Enter the evaluation name, type, choose line or station if applicable, select the video from the drop-down that you have previously uploaded in the File Manager, and then press Create. In the Mark Objects modal, press the Add button on the right to begin marking the object of interest. You can mark only one object per video. Move the cursor to the object of interest and drag a bounding box over the entirety of the object. Make sure you cover the area where the operator's hands come in contact with the object, e.g. handles, etc. Click on the box you just drew, navigate to the top left, enter the weight of the object, and press the Assign Weight button. Finally, press Confirm to start the evaluation. In the Edit page, you have to input the number of times the object is lifted per minute from the drop-down, as well as the travel distance if applicable. You also have to input the quality of the object's handle as well as the duration of the shift. You also have the option to manually adjust the AI-detected parameters at the start of the lift and the end of the lift to your liking. Once done, press Generate Results for the evaluation to complete. Over on the Results page, you can see the risk level associated with the video highlighted in the results card. The color-coded lifting index value symbolizes the level of risk associated with the video according to NIOSH guidelines. Furthermore, Kaizen Copilot also suggests a safe weight limit at both the starting and ending points of the lift as well. On the right side of the tab, you can analyze the multiplier values generated by the system to calculate the lifting index as well as the recommended weight limit as per NIOSH Lifting Equation guidelines. Clicking on the Report button will render a comprehensive analysis document which highlights the key insights discovered by the system throughout the evaluation. The report can be downloaded as a PDF by clicking on the Download button.